Do you know that a 19-year-old with zero marketing experience created an Instagram ad using AI and made his first online sale while sleeping? No agency, no camera crew, no expensive software, just an idea and a few AI tools most people are ignoring right now. But here's the part nobody talks about. Most people who try this, they fail. Not because AI doesn't work, but because they don't understand how to make AI sell for them. So in this video, I'm going to show you something different. Not just how to create AI ads for Instagram, but how to make them feel human enough that people actually stop scrolling and buy. And I'll show you the exact step-by-step system you can start using today. But first, let me take you back to where this really begins. I remember the first time I tried to run an Instagram ad. I thought it was simple. You post a nice image, write a caption, boost it, and money starts coming in. That's what everyone made it sound like. So I spent days trying to make the perfect ad. I designed graphics, I wrote captions like, "Buy now, limited offer, don't miss out," and I hit publish. Then I waited. 1 hour, nothing. 1 day, nothing. 3 days later, just a few likes from friends. No sales, no clicks, nothing. And that's when it hit me. It wasn't my product that was the problem, it was my ad. It didn't feel alive. It didn't feel like it understood people. It felt like a robot trying to sell to humans. And that's exactly where AI changes everything, but only if you use it the right way. Months later, I stumbled on something strange. I saw a small brand selling skincare, but their Instagram ads didn't look like ads. They looked like real stories. A girl talking about her acne journey, a short emotional clip, soft music, natural voiceover. And in the caption, it didn't say "buy now." It said, "I used to hide my face every morning." And I couldn't believe it. That ad was probably made with AI, and it was working better than expensive agency ads. That was my turning point. I realized something powerful. The future of ads is not design. It's storytelling powered by AI. And once I understood that, everything changed. So let me break this down into a simple system. Every high-converting AI Instagram ad has 4 layers. 1. The hook. Stop the scroll. 2. The story. Build emotion. 3. The product. Introduce solution. 4. The action. What to do next. If one of these is missing, your ad fails. Now let's build one together, step by step. Step 1. The hook. The hook is everything. Because Instagram users don't care about your product, they care about stopping boredom. So instead of saying, "new skincare product available," you say, "I used to avoid mirrors every morning." That's a hook. It creates curiosity. Now here's how AI helps you. You go to an AI tool like ChatGPT and type, "Write 10 emotional Instagram ad hooks for a skincare product targeting acne struggles." And instantly, you get hooks that feel like real human experiences. Not marketing, not sales, stories. Pick the strongest one. That's your starting point. Step 2, build the story. Now here's where most people fail. They jump straight to selling, but selling comes last. First, you build emotion. Example story structure: problem, struggle, pain, small hope, transformation. So your ad becomes, "I used to avoid mirrors every morning. I tried everything, creams, remedies, nothing worked. I stopped taking pictures. I avoided people. Then I found something simple I never expected." Now notice something. We didn't mention the product yet. We built curiosity first. Now AI can help you expand this. You prompt, "Turn this into a 20-second emotional Instagram ad script with storytelling tone." And AI gives you a polished script in seconds. But here's the secret. Don't use it raw. Edit it slightly. Make it feel imperfect, because perfection feels fake, and fake doesn't sell. Step 3. Introduce the product. Now you bring in the product naturally, not like an ad, like part of the story. Example: "That's when I discovered a simple skincare formula designed for sensitive, acne-prone skin." No hype, no pressure, just a natural shift. This is where AI visuals come in. You can use tools like AI image generators for product scenes, AI video tools for lifestyle clips, AI voiceovers for narration. You're not filming anything, you're assembling emotion, like a movie editor. Step 4. Create the visual ad. Now let's talk visuals. This is where most beginners think they need expensive cameras. You don't. Here's the AI workflow. 1. Generate images. Realistic lifestyle girl skincare before and after soft lighting. 2. Turn into video. Use AI video tools to animate images. 3. Add voice. AI voiceover reading your script. 4. Add music. Soft emotional background track. Now your ad is no longer an ad. It's a short emotional film. And that's what stops scrolling. Step 5. The caption and CTA. Now the caption. Keep it simple. No spam, no desperation. Bad example. Buy now, 50% off, limited time. Good example. Sometimes the solution is simpler than we think. Then your call to action. Tap the link to see more, or learn how it works here. Subtle wins, always. Why most people fail. Now listen carefully. AI is not the magic. People think, if I use AI, I will automatically make money. No, AI is just a tool. The real skill is understanding human emotion, knowing what makes people stop scrolling, turning products into stories. Without that, your AI ads will still fail. With it, even simple products can sell. What pros do differently. Top marketers don't think like creators. They think like psychologists. They ask, what pain is this person hiding? What do they wish someone would understand? What emotional trigger makes them act? Then they feed that into AI. That's the secret layer most beginners miss. AI doesn't replace thinking, it multiplies thinking. Full summary system. So let's simplify everything. 1. Find emotional problem. 2. Generate hooks with AI. 3. Build a short emotional story. 4. Introduce product naturally. 5. Turn into AI visuals plus voice. 6. Keep captions simple. 7. Post and test. Repeat until something hits. That's it. No complexity, just repetition plus improvement. And finally, the truth is, we are entering a world where anyone can create ads, but not everyone can create emotion. And emotion is what sells. So the question is not, do you have AI tools? The real question is, can you tell a story people feel? Because if you can, AI will handle the rest. And you won't just be creating ads anymore. You'll be creating attention. And attention is the new currency. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and switch on the notification icon so you won't miss out on my feature video.